Is this the new gold standard in three-row crossovers? What you're looking at is the refreshed 2026 Honda Pilot, and it's stepping into a segment that has never been more competitive. Today, we're walking through every exterior change, every interior update, and what Honda has done mechanically to set the 2026 apart from the 2025 model. The first thing you notice is the front end. Honda has gone bold with this new grille. Big openings are trending across crossovers, and Honda fully embraced it. On this Trail Sport trim, you get this gray finish and a brand new ash green color for 2026. I want to know what you think about this grille. Some people are going to love it, others will hate it. It's definitely a statement. The Honda badge sits huge in the center, one of the largest I've seen on any Honda recently. The daytime running lights wrap toward the center slot, and you get these small aero vents to help channel airflow. Down below are the integrated fog lights, and because this is the Trail Sport, you get a real skid plate and recovery point hidden underneath. When Honda first introduced the Trail Sport, it pushed the Pilot into a more capable category for light off-road use. It comes with better tires than the regular trims. These Continental Terrain Contact tires aren't extreme off-road rubber, but they're a big step up compared to the standard all-seasons you normally get on Pilots. The 2026 Pilot is stepping into a tough year. Hyundai has the new Palisade XRT Pro, Kia just refreshed the Telluride, and both brands have started offering real off-road hardware with integrated recovery points. What still separates the Honda is that excellent IVTM4 all-wheel drive system. It uses a mechanical torque vectoring rear differential instead of relying only on brake-based torque distribution, and that makes it one of the smartest AWD systems in this class. Around the back, you get the tow hitch rated to about 5,000 pounds, the bold Trail Sport badge, gloss black roof rails, and flat black unpainted mirrors. Let's take a look at the cargo area. One-touch operation makes it easy to open, and you can drop the third row with a quick pull. This model has captain's chairs, which makes access cleaner and more comfortable. With the seats up, space is practical for families, and with them folded, you get a flat load floor and a lot of usable room. Inside, Honda added heated rear seats for 2026, and these brown two-tone seats look great against the black trim. The panoramic sunroof adds some premium feel, and the third row space is fine for kids or shorter trips for adults. Up front, bold is still the theme. You get a 10.2-inch digital driver cluster and a 12.3-inch touchscreen running Google Automotive OS. The system works well and uses more color than most Honda systems, which makes the cabin feel more modern. There is still a volume knob, although it's extremely small. Below that, Honda kept physical climate controls, which is a big win. Dual-zone automatic climate control is standard with tri-zone when you count the rear. You get USB-C ports, wireless charging, the push-button shifter, and the drive mode selector. The seats in this Trail Sport look premium and feel comfortable. I will say this openly. Hyundai and Kia have raised the bar on interior design, and Honda's choosing a more functional approach. It's not bad, but it doesn't have the same wow factor you get in the Palisade or Telluride. Let's open the hood. You still get Honda's trusty and naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6, making 285 horsepower paired with a conventional torque converter automatic. While many competitors have moved to Turbo 4s, Honda is sticking to simple, proven hardware. Pricing and availability are already set. Honda says the 2026 Pilot goes on sale next month. Pricing starts at about $40,200, the Black Edition climbs into the mid-50s, and this Trail Sport sits around $50,000 depending on options. Mechanically, the Pilot is very similar to the outgoing model, but Honda retuned the electric steering and made small improvements. The headline changes are the new front design, the new screens, new colors, and heated rear seats. The real question is this: did Honda do enough to stay competitive? Hyundai and Kia are pushing luxury and design hard. Toyota still has a loyal following with the Highlander. Ford, Jeep, Chevy, and GMC all compete in this space with their own strengths. The Pilot has been a trusted name in the US for more than 2 decades, and Honda's updates are good, but I'd love to see them push harder, especially on interior style and on introducing a stronger hybrid system. The Palisade Hybrid and Highlander Hybrid both deliver fantastic fuel economy without sacrificing space. Honda still has a reliable powertrain, a durable automatic, and one of the best AWD systems on the market. I'm excited to drive this and see how it performs on the road. This is just my first look at the 2026 Honda Pilot here at the LA Auto Show. Let me know what you think. Did Honda do enough? Is this the new leader in the three-row SUV class? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.